Hey guys, what I've got here is the long awaited Vortex MiiXR. I used to own the previous model, but now after 2 years in production, their final product has arrived. Straightforward instructions on how to use and clean. Perfect for protein powders, shakes, scrambled eggs, baby formulas and cocktails. 100% leak proof and comes with a 1-year warranty. Now the reason for my upgrade is that it's more durable, acts like a power bank to charge your devices, a secure upper lid and the design. Now inside the box you will get an instruction manual explaining how to use, clean, charge and maintenance your bottle. A feedback booklet, micro USB charge lead and an insulated sleeve which was part of the package. Just by looking at the design got me sold. Not only that, but the bottom motor acts like a power bank to charge up your phones. So the top slot is to charge the base and the bottom to charge your devices. The battery capacity is 1600 mAh. Nicely built at the top to avoid any leakages, with a protector seal. Also with the MiiXR is a little nutrition pod to store your powders, fruits or pretty much anything you want. Now the MiiXR is very light to handle and there are other cheaper branded bottles out there that does the same Vortex mix but doesn't have the same features. Anyway, time to give this a quick test. Now this was my previous MiiXR. Not a big difference in terms of bottle size and blade, but definitely the new MiiXR is better in terms of build and features. As you can see, the liquid stays in within the guard while you drink, so there's no spills. A bottle that you can take to the gym or work. Overall, it's a winner for me. Take care, peace.